It's delicious and can help you get the best main ingredient. Prepare a banana for this. Oatmeal cake. Find a tool to fully press the banana. After pressing, add 2 tablespoons of instant oatmeal, a spoonful of pure milk, and an egg. Stir the eggs with a spatula. Stir them well just like the thickness in the video. Prepare a 4-inch cake mold and lay it on the baking paper. Pour all the oatmeal banana paste into it. Tidy up the surface. If you have the conditions, you can put a layer of fresh blueberries on the surface. If you don't have it, you can sprinkle nuts or put nothing in it. Put it in the preheated oven in the middle and lower layers. Bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Everyone has a different taste in the oven. The temperature is slightly adjusted for reference. The fragrant oatmeal cake is out of the oven. No sugar, no oil, no flour, but sweet. It's easy to take off the film. Just tear off the baking paper. You can use it after cutting it directly. It's soft and sweet. It's very easy to increase the sense of abundance. You can do it in a corner. You can arrange it if you like.